There was a time when I bought 7 foreign cars in one day. The merchant, the country's highest taxpayer, they introduced him to that person as the man who arrested me once upon a time. I lost 2 children, I lost a marriage that I treasured like dear life.
270 acres ka resort living. That's a golf property. This is called Karma Lakeland. Anybody who knows about golf knows about Karma Lakeland.
Karma Lakelands.
Karma Lakelands.
Karma Lakeland.
Of Karma Lakelands.
Karma Lakelands.
Got a very low density golf resort with eco-friendliness as the main crux approved. Because eco was the buzz, the departments in the government were friendly. I saved my land, started to plant trees more and more. This is my lifetime's work.
Amazing place, by the way. First of all, we
And
just
first
entered.
visit, yeah?
Yes, first visit.
This is my lifetime's work.
Wow.
You'll be surprised. I started to buy the land in 1989 with one simple target: to fulfill my dream of planting 10,000 trees every year. My guiding principle being greening like charity begins at home but should not end there.
True.
So I'll start my greening from home. Ahem Brahmasmi. I am the universe.
I am the universe.
I need to cover the whole universe. Let me start small from my home. So I had been keeping count of the previous 4 years. The target of 10,000 trees a year was not met. The number was 28,000 instead of 40,000.
Okay.
So with that setback, I wouldn't call it defeat, I started to put this piece of land together in the boondocks. There was no glory about it.
Right.
And then 1.5 lakh rupees an acre to 85 crore rupees an acre
Wow.
has been the
Entire
buying
journey.
price width.
Right.
It was never money. It was never business. It's the
I think
story
so.
of the cart before the horse.
Right.
And if you want a tour of the place,
That will be amazing.
I
That
can
will be
arrange
amazing.
somebody to take you around.
Perfect.
Have a look at what all we are doing.
Of course. Even
We're
like
very proud. I tell people, listen, sustainability as our main religion, more than making money. Rest is all incidental.
right.
The prayer to God is not max ROI. It is to enable us to pay the bills on time.
Right.
Last 25 years, I didn't make money.
Okay.
I lost money every year.
Okay.
But I never delayed payment of a single bill by a day.
Wow. That's such an amazing statement to even say, because like even I've ran about 4 startups now, and you know this is one of the main reasons like every, I would say, startup founder has anxiety.
Yes.
That how will the people who are dependent on me like go through their entire month? I've gone through that. That's like what an amazing statement to say.
Yeah.
Another thing is like have you ever heard of Assam Valley School by any chance?
Assam Valley School.
Yes, this is in Assam itself,
Achha.
near Guwahati. As soon as I entered, right, it's the same feeling. So even it's a very big campus. It's about 270 acres campus.
Ours is 270 acres.
Oh wow,
Same number.
exact. Wow.
What a coincidence.
So even like you know around it, it's just tea gardens. And just like acres and acres of tea gardens. So when you enter, it's like just entering a new world. That's the same feeling that we had today.
Yeah.
That's what even he told me that it is not Gurgaon.
came in, I was like, "ये कहाँ आ गए? गुड़गांव से हम लोग."
One of my residents has made a very beautiful statement. He said, while Karma Lakeland is 25 minutes from downtown Gurgaon,
Right.
it's a million miles away from its noise, buzz, pollution, and mayhem.
Definitely.
Every staff member, not only security, has been briefed to flag down a honker, to intercept a litterer. And there's a zero tolerance to litter policy in the sense every staff member from the vice president down to the lowest level must do one bending exercise of the back and ego every day. Pick up some piece of litter and put it in the bin. When you start enjoying it, because you're doing it for your soul, your conscience,
Right.
not for salary enhancement, not for anybody appreciating you, or profit going up, then the real joy that you will derive will not stop you at the minimum. Like me, you'll start doing 50 to 100 times a day.
Of course.
You're bending your back, you're banging your ego. It's a spiritual process.
It is, definitely.
It's making me a responsible human being
Right.
who will first start with transforming himself and then would be raving to spread this message to the
Right.
whole world.
Of course.
Yeah. Remember on the dais, I must have mentioned this.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes.
I've made it a point to mention all the time.
Right.
And I tell my workers, आप कहते हो धरती माता,
Right.
माता को किसी ने अब्यूज़ किया है, इंसल्ट किया है, तो आप कहोगे मैंने तो नहीं किया, किसी ने किया, मुंह बोड़ के चले जाओगे, या आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लोगे, करेक्टिव एक्शन लोगे,
Right.
उठा के बिन में डालोगे, और जब आनंद आने लगेगा तो एक बारी पे नहीं रुकोगे. मेरा व्हाट्सएप डीपी कहता था काफ़ी देर, आज का पता नहीं क्या कह रहे, एट वॉर विद हॉन्कर्स, लिटरर्स, स्मोकर्स एंड सकर्स ऑफ स्ट्रॉज.
Sugar of straws.
हाँ, आई वुड से जब पहले तो प्लास्टिक स्ट्रॉज ही चलती थी. इस रेस्टोरेंट, इस बिल्डिंग में, इस कैंपस में 5 और रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, एक्सक्लूड मैकडोनल्ड.
Right.
वो भी हमारे ही है वैसे. तो we've never used plastic straws. So we
Wow.
would have signages, teasers in the restaurant. Tables पे थे पहले. Suckers suck straws. Be a sipper instead. Sipper
Right.
drink. एक टाइम तो आ गया जी, पानी भी पीने तो straw डाल के पीने.
Right. I mean, at the end of the day, it's not that big of a shift for you, but overall it impacts a lot.
On the planet, yes.
Right.
At that level, it impacts a lot.
Basically, just kind of going into the well-being of mostly founders or people who have founded things. How have they gone through the entire journey? What were a few challenges that they've gone through, and overall, how were they able to take care of their mental well-being? Because I feel like that's a topic that kind of stings, but people are not very open about as of now. But I want to talk about.
4 days ago, the doctor wants me to read, their test. Left eye, I can read till many lines, next page, and all the regular eye test. Right eye, I can only see the frame.
No ways.
Top line cannot read. It gives me a bigger one. Cannot read. I just cannot read nothing. So it's like my right eye is gone. I'm one-eyed now. But not even a heartbeat was missed out of anxiety.
Wow.
That was my pride. On the contrary, थोड़ी देर में मैं सोचने लग गया घर पे कैसे बताऊंगा. So I had an answer. So what is it that is common between Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi and me? What is different between him and me?
Right.
He had a stone eye, but technology has advanced between then and now.
True.
ये बात और है बच गई है. It was an 18-month period in my life. I lost 2 children. I lost a marriage that I treasured like dear life. I had tax raids. I went 3 weeks in jail. All in an 18-month period where, everything that can devastate a person happened in my life. And I
My
smiled
God,
through it.
I could have never imagined. After looking at you, after meeting you, I could have never imagined going through something like that. Oh.
Came out unbroken.
It's important to take a break also. Sometimes your body makes you do it.
God decides for you.
Right.
I was defying it for too long.
How does this whole area feel like?
I feel like I've come back to Assam, man. I'm not even kidding. It doesn't feel like Gurgaon at all. 30 minutes away from Delhi.
Yeah, exactly. It's just 30 minutes
10,
from
15
Delhi.
minutes away from Gurgaon. Doesn't feel like at all. जो विलास हैं वो मोस्टली सोल्ड आउट है और जो नहीं है वो बिल्कुल बेच ही नहीं रहे हैं. टोटल 270 एकड़ वर्थ लाइक पूरा कैंपस. वाओ.
भैया एक चीज़ बताओ, ये मतलब फंक्शनल कब हुआ था, मतलब किस साल में हो गया था कि ओपन हो गया था रेजिडेंशियल पूरा?
एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपन सर, ये रिजॉर्ट बाद में बना है. ये जो चीज़ें थी ये अपनी जो वाइल्ड लाइफ के हिसाब से ही
Oh,
like plants and animals को ही promote कर रहे थे. So after that, I think from last 6 years, it's been resort.
Okay.
So it's like 270 acres resort,
जी.
and it's like eco-sustainable resort.
It's an eco-sustainable resort.
Yes.
So one of the things that like Mr. Ashwani himself was talking about in the panel was that ki like if you're talking about a banana peel, it takes like what, an year, 2 years to compost, right? But if you put it through a cow, it will happen in a day. So their
Really?
entire composting, they have about 92 cows if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes.
92 cows.
Yeah.
There is we also do honeybee farming.
Amazing.
You can see.
You know, Saksham, the crazy part here is this place is right in the middle of Gurgaon.
है ना, वही that's what like बार बार मुझे वही आ रहा है कि यार it's right there and what, double the size of the entire golf course that we have in Gurgaon, just 10 minutes away and built in such a beautiful landscape, man. Wow, amazing. Like I just have no words right now. Amazing. Again, we sustainable living, man. Wow.
And now I decided now onwards I'll only fund my business.
Okay.
My business has enough and more ability to absorb whatever I can bring into it. Then I am a whole world unto myself,
Of course.
whole and complete.
Yeah.
Under that paradigm, I kept running it, expanding. And then by the time positive cash flows would now come, I don't have to sell any more
Right.
personal properties and fund the business property. Now the business property would start yielding good
Right. Yielding
returns,
returns, of course.
and this could run into great numbers.
Of course. Yes.
So at that time, my son took over.
Right.
I said, now you decide. So he has invested here and there in startups also.
Okay.
I don't even look at where he invests.
Right. But
But
does
he has-
this space seem interesting to you? Yes.
Sure.
So like obviously like we can take you through or your team through the numbers if you are willing.
So when Aradip is back, so it's very difficult to get an appointment with him. He's
Right.
super stretched. But that I'll make it happen, no worries.
Perfect.
You know, last 10 years, I decided to live in my own world.
Right.
No television news,
Okay.
no newspapers,
No
no
television.
business something news. No, अपनी दुनिया में रहता.
Wow.
पेड़ लगाओ, वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग करो, इस बिजनेस में क्या कर सकते हैं,
Right.
ये देखो.
Nice.
कंप्लीट वर्ल्ड ऑफ माई ओन.
Wow.
बाहर तो मैं रात में बड़े दिनों बाद न्यूज़ खोली तो क्या देख रहा था, आजकल क्या लेटेस्ट चल रहा है.
Supreme Court.
एक तो थाईलैंड कंबोडिया की लड़ाई चल रही है, एक ट्रम्प और इंडिया का स्पैट चल रहा है. मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं पता होता.
Opposition is in jail right now.
Yeah.
कौन?
Rahul
Sir, you don't know?
अरे नहीं यार, नहीं पता मुझे.
Do you think fractionally dividing certain properties of yours would be in interest of you?
फॉर टॉप CEO लेवल 6-8 लाख रुपए महीने का 6,000 स्क्वायर फीट बिल्ट विला,
Right.
वी कैन स्टार्ट रेंटिंग आउट. हमको रेंटिंग आउट में अभी तक सक्सेस मिला नहीं और हमने बहुत ज़्यादा ट्राई भी नहीं.
Sure. So let me just explain a concept of ours, which is called timeshare. Are you familiar with it by any chance?
A little bit, I'm aware.
So what we do is, let's say a villa here.
You
would
buy a
cost-
villa and you run it for timeshare.
Yes.
Possibility is that we do sell to you through the license model,
Yes.
which is reversible, bankable,
Of course.
One unit we can do.
Right.
A unit which is right next to our most bustling restaurant,
Okay.
under the knee. You've been to under the knee?
Yeah, I did. Yes.
Let's say right next to it.
That's perfect.
Because it is a perfect hospitality unit and not a super long stay or ownership unit.
Right.
Because hospitality के लिए कोई वहाँ आएगा ना, you love it.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे जान है.
Right.
उसके सामने पिकल बॉल कोर्ट है.
Right.
And all you might have seen.
I just saw that.
You know the lay of the land. That one. लेकिन कोई जिंदगी भर के लिए खरीदने वाला आएगा ना, कहते जी रेस्टोरेंट को रात को 10-11 बजे तक गार्डन में थोड़ा शोर हो रहा होगा.
Right.
I will not like it. One, you kept driving here, then you turned and reached the club here. If you had not turned and reached this club here where we are sitting and gone a little straight ahead, you would reach under the knee, which is here.
Right.
Just before this is what I'm talking about. Opposite it is the sports junction with pickleball courts. This
Right.
that. ये मैप मेरे पास WhatsApp version भी है.
Okay.
This is what I'm talking about. इन दोनों का फ्यूजन है. तो ये सुन के इंटरप्रेट करके उसने फार्मर को गोल्फ कोर्स पे खड़ा कर दिया.
Wow.
It's me also.
No, because that's what it was a very good picture कि मतलब फार्मर्स एक गोल्फ कोर्स में खड़ा है.
फार्मर
Two different versions.
और एक और मेरा दोस्त है, वो भी आर्टिस्ट, ऐसी आर्ट सिंपोजियम्स में कर्मा में आता है जम्मू से. वो देवदार फॉरेस्ट बनाता है. तो उसने मेरा एक दिन डीपी देखा कि मैं अपनी ग्रैंड डॉटर को उठाया हुआ है एंड आई एम कैरिंग द सेव सॉइल मैसेज ऑन अ टी शर्ट. तो उसने अपने फॉरेस्ट, उसके टिपिकल स्टाइल ऑफ आर्ट है, तो उसके फॉरेस्ट में मैं वॉक कर रहा हूँ विद माई ग्रैंड डॉटर. वो डीपी की फ़ोटो मेरी देख के उसको और अपने आर्ट स्टाइल को जोड़ के वो बनाया.
Oh wow.
This one.
Wow. Amazing.
What happened was, when we were starting up our hospitality and opening this big club,
Right.
we had a discussion on what should be our regular greeting.
Okay.
So, good morning, good evening, अंग्रेजी स्टाइल, नमस्कार, this that. कि हमारे इंटरनल टीम कर्मा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में वोटिंग चल रही थी.
This is in.
in 2015.
Okay.
So, ऐसे ही उन्हीं दिनों I came across a video of Sadhguru
Okay.
which says योगा नमस्कार.
Okay.
उनके दो
Yes.
वीडियोस हैं, एक नमस्कार योगा है और एक योगा नमस्कार है.
Okay.
सो आई थिंक नमस्कार योगा में उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है कि भी नमस्कार जब करके हम किसी को ग्रीट करते हैं, हाथ जोड़ने का मतलब इटसेल्फ होता है बैलेंसिंग लेफ्ट ब्रेन विद राइट ब्रेन, यिंग विद यांग.
Right.
उन्होंने बड़ा डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है.
I've heard that when you're touching, like you're closing a circuit, right?
Yes,
In
yeah.
in your body.
या
Right.
कहते हैं जी इसमें आपके अंदर की जो स्वीटनेस जागेगी, जो आपकी एनर्जीज बैलेंस हो जाएंगी, तो आप एक और होल एंड कंप्लीट बैलेंस्ड इंसान हो, जो स्थिर प्रज्ञ है,
Right.
जो अप पे बहुत ज़्यादा एरोगेंट नहीं होता, डाउन पे डाउन एंड आउट नहीं होता.
Right.
वो
No extremes. Of course, that's thinness.
या स्टिलनेस बैलेंस रहेगा. सो दैट्स हाउ व्हेन दिस केम, सिक्योरिटी वाले कहते हैं देखो जी हम तो फौजी स्टाइल होते हैं,
हाँ जी.
हम तो सैल्यूट
Salute
मार के
करते हैं.
करते हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो मैं कहा आपको सैल्यूट अलाउड है.
Okay.
जब उन्होंने आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बाकी सभी को
हाँ जी.
नमस्कार करते देखा, उन्होंने भी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता शुरू कर.
Right.
नाउ नोबडी हैज कंप्लेंट. दे वर नॉट इवन, दे वर एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम दिस
Right.
नमस्कार प्रोसेस. तो मैंने कहा ये दिल से नमस्कार करना है, एसओपी है, टाइम पास है नहीं,
Right.
दिल से कर रहे हैं. You noticed it? Everybody
Yes,
noticed
yes.
it? जैसे ही आप हाथ जोड़ना शुरू करोगे ना, आपकी एनर्जी अपने आप स्वीटन होनी शुरू
True.
होगी.
Yes.
ये सदगुरु ने एक्सप्लेन किया है. वो देखो उसके बाग को निकाल निकाल के उसकी खाद बना रही है.
Right.
एक दिन मैं आया, ऐसे फ्रेश इस टाइप की प्रूनिंग्स आई थी, पत्ते भरे हुए थे, ये सारी की सारी उस पर झपट रही थी.
Okay.
मेरे को आइडिया आया सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट के लिए. मैंने फोटो खींची, वीडियो बनाया और मैंने लिखा कर्मा goats
Okay.
relentlessly at work making soil energizer / compost.
Wow.
And they are not the only ones who do it here. Our cows do it, our earthworms do it, our golfers, visitors, staff, everybody is doing this.
Right. I'm seeing sparrows here after a very long time.
Yeah. Started crying in joy.
The AQI is actually 0 inside your house.
Something's going wrong with my life and I laugh at it.
Even the bottles I saw were made out of
No
glass.
plastic.
Right.
No plastic. Always planet, people, profit. Acceptance is what decides between rape and love making, isn't it? There was a time when I bought 7 foreign cars in one day.